If Chrome is loading the wrong websites, showing old pages, or you're having trouble reaching a site that should work, clearing the DNS cache can often fix it fast. In this video, I'll show you how to clear the DNS cache in Chrome, and I'll also show you the recommended Windows method so you can refresh both your browser and your system-wide DNS cache. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Alright, let's get into it. First, we'll start with Chrome. Open Google Chrome on your computer, then click the address bar at the top and type chrome://net-internals/#DNS. After that, press enter on your keyboard. This will take you to Chrome's internal DNS page. On this page, look for the button that says Clear Host Cache. Click it once and Chrome will immediately clear its stored DNS information. That means Chrome will stop using any old or outdated DNS entries it had saved. Once you click that button, the Chrome DNS cache is now cleared. If your issue was only inside Chrome, that may already solve the problem. But if you still notice connection issues, the next step is the better option because it clears the DNS cache for Windows itself. This is the recommended method, especially if you want a more complete refresh. To do that, open the Start menu and search for Command Prompt. Make sure you run it as Administrator. You can do this by right-clicking Command Prompt and choosing Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Once the command prompt window opens, type ipconfig/flushdns exactly as is shown, then press enter. You should see a confirmation message that says the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. That means your system-wide DNS cache has been cleared. This is especially useful if websites are still not loading correctly, if Chrome is giving you old IP addresses, or if you recently changed network settings and want everything refreshed. A lot of people only clear the browser cache, but the Windows DNS cache can also hold on to outdated website information, so flushing both can save a lot of time. Just to recap, the Chrome method clears the browser's cached DNS records, and the Windows method clears the entire system's DNS cache. If you're troubleshooting a website problem, it's usually a good idea to do both. First clear Chrome's host cache, then flush the Windows DNS cache for the best results. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me make more quick tutorials like this for you. And if you want more simple step-by-step fixes for Chrome, Windows, and everyday tech problems, stick around because there's plenty more coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.